still have to pay for it.
Yes, I watched everything on camera, all that in your bag. I watched everything. I need you to come with me.
I got all my receipts, right?
Come with me. Keep watching on camera. So
We'll count it up. We'll count it up in the office, see what you paid or did not pay for. Okay?
I got you pulling the receipts out of your purse. He brought you that purse. You pulled them out your purse. So let's go to the office.
Because I needed to refund something.
Okay, but you still have stuff you didn't pay for. We just watched everything. The officer watched it with me. We've been following you since you were pulling clothes off hangers.
Two siblings. One Walmart, Ohio, May 14th. 222. What started as a shoplifting stop ended with felony charges neither of them saw coming.
What you mean pulling clothes off hangers?
So let's just go. Let's just go to the office.
First of all, you're not going to do that.
What's that?
That's my purse.
Okay, but this is their item, so you stole.
My purse is nothing with no items in there.
Okay. Like I said, we're just going to go to the office. We're going to count up what you took here. We'll go from there, okay?
No, first of all, y'all not about to embarrass me like that through this store.
That's why we're going to an office. So we don't have to do all this out here.
Hold on, let me call my brother.
Is that who you were with?
No, my brother is a police officer.
Okay. You can call him.
It's all on video.
What's on video?
You grabbing all that and not paying for it. You putting stuff in this bag along with the gentleman putting stuff in the bag that had a white t-shirt.
Who had a white t-shirt?
This is what the office. I'll show you.
We'll show you the video. Like I said, we're just going to the office right now. We're going to figure it out.
I'm calling my brother like I said.
All right. Can you walk and talk?
No, because I haven't did anything and I'm not under arrest. I didn't do anything.
Well, you are detained right now. So
You said what?
you're detained right now for theft. You passed all points of sale with these items that you did not pay for, so you're detained. I'm not putting you in handcuffs or anything right now. I mean, I don't want to get to that point, so if we just walk to the office, we won't. You're detained for theft.
Oh, because my son is in the car. Y'all got
Ma'am, can we walk back to the office, please?
I'm going to stand right here and I'm going to wait for my brother.
22 radio. Ma'am, do not walk outside right now.
Don't touch me.
I'm not going to touch you if you just...
Okay, so move out the way.
I'm trying to stop the female right now. Being uncooperative. We're just going to walk back to the
I
office.
said my son is outside.
And I said you're detained for theft.
Like I just said, my son is outside.
Okay, can we just walk back to the office, please?
So I can't check on my son. My car is right there.
How old's your son? You've been in
He's
here.
8.
Okay, and you've been in here for how long? And you left him outside in the car. So let's go to the office. So you want to play that game? You have to get charged with child endangerment too, because you left him
How's the
outside.
child endangerment?
You've been in here for how long? And you've left your 8-year-old son out in the car. Is that true? So we're gonna walk to the office.
Okay, we're gonna walk to the office like I said.
Let's go.
Don't rush me out. Like I said, I'm gonna check on my son.
Ma'am, you are detained right now.
I'm
Here's
not
the
detained right now. Come here. For real. Like I'm confused.
for real. You guys are both gonna come back to the office.
Ohio Revised Code Section 2935.041 gives loss prevention statutory authority to detain a theft suspect without a warrant. That authority is legally binding on the premises. The subject does not have to consent. Refusing that detention is not a right. It is a separate criminal charge under Ohio Revised Code Section 2921.31.
Get off of me! Oh my God!
Give me this now, we're running. Push me, sir! Don't reach! Do not reach! Do not reach! We're running right now through the parking lot. Coming towards the exit near the gazebo. Stop! Stop! Stop right now! You're gonna get tased!
Come on, get us.
Well, one hitting me.
I didn't hit you.
When you tackled me,
I tried to get to you. Oh, my sister. What am I supposed to do?
well, she was detained for theft. Radio got one male detained. There's another female that ran as well.
Stay down, don't get up. You got any guns on you? Knives, anything like that? Why are you running?
He was on my sister.
He was on your sister?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's what's up. I'm gonna roll him over to me.
Yep.
Okay.
Female also took off running.
Well, obviously you're in handcuffs, so you get something. So you're gonna roll over on your side and return to me, okay?
Well, Minnie, where'd she go?
What you done? You got any guns on you?
I don't know. I chased after him.
Anything that's gonna stab or poke me?
She tried running. I tried stopping her. He tackled me.
You alright?
Good.
All that SWAT training is paying off. Okay.
What's in his pocket?
Vape. Pure.
Babe. You okay?
Female in a Nike hat and a white top, I believe.
You got ID on you, my man? What pocket? The other one? Yeah. Right here?
You ripped my pants?
I'm not ripping your pants. It was in rubbing on the concrete. Wait, yep.
You're being detained. You and your sister were being detained, so you guys started running.
Pull this leg in.
You tackled my sister on the ground.
Stand up.
Pull your leg in.
Tried running.
There you go.
All right, stand up.
I told her she was detained multiple times.
Pull up your pants.
What's your first name, man? We got him.
Ohio Revised Code Section 291, 1.02 converts a theft into robbery the moment force is used during the taking. The statute does not require the thief to apply the force. A third party who physically intervenes during an active detention triggers the robbery elevation for both of them. Under Ohio Revised Code Section 290, 3.13, assault on a peace officer that causes physical harm is a fourth-degree felony. The Fourth Amendment inventory exception authorized the vehicle search without a warrant. 2 handguns, narcotics, counterfeit checks, a tampered Social Security card, and altered plates were recovered.
Well, yeah, did you see him tackle me?
You tried tackling him?
No, I pushed him.
No, he
Why you
didn't.
putting
We
your
got
hands
him.
on an officer?
On my sister. He slammed my sister on the ground.
You guys are being detained. That's the.
I don't know what's going on. It's at the store. I
Just
don't know
start
what's
pulling
going
up
on.
that video for me, would you?
Let have you have a seat back here. Watch yourself.
Female kept running, he said.
So he pushed you?
So she was in there. She kept hitting one of these, like trying to get around me
In the AP office?
in the vestibule.
Oh, okay.
We're just standing there. I'm like, man, these you did not pay for. I don't know what you're talking about. And then tries running. So I go to stop her. And then we go to the ground, and then he tackles me. She gets up and runs, and I go after him.
Just let Fink know he can come back for that.
I don't know where she went. I'm gonna.
Party is showing
Dude, every time. Rip your pants. You might need, dude. Every time. Let me, I'm gonna check and see the parking lot.
How big was she? How
Small.
small?
Small. Like I said, she had a Nike hat on and like a sort of dress.
See, here's where the problem is. You put your hands on an officer, and that's a no-no. He was trying to detain your sister because she stole some stuff.
He slammed. I don't know what's going on. He slammed my sister on the ground.
Nah, I know that officer. He doesn't just slam people to the ground,
I didn't
so...
say he slammed like hard.
Well, no, that's what you just said, so...
I didn't say he slammed like hard. I'm saying he slammed on the ground like, you feel like he opened. Man, you could have grabbed her and just fell with her.
Do you guys see that? If you did you see where the lady ran?
No,
She ran one way, he ran.
I know.
The dude
Well,
said
because
he
he
got.
tackled me. That's
The
why.
dude said he got her phone though.
And you wonder if somebody died like that. You
go
could.
to the doctor, man. I know he f***ed your leg up.
Did you fall?
Well, I wanted to get her, and she tackled me.
Man.
What? Well, and she got loose.
I thought you was gonna shoot his ass. That's
Well,
why
did you see
I'm-
him? Did you see him like this?
Yeah.
I just
He
saw him off the
crazy.
reach.
Nah, see, that would have. Then we would have been blaming y'all.
No, they wouldn't have been. I done went to court on that
But
shit.
you know how people like that. We are recording.
I mean, how many times did I tell her? How many times did I tell her?
Dumbass motherfucker.
Oh, so she ran. She's over here walking around somewhere. Y'all find her.
Or in her car. I don't know. That's why I'm gonna walk around over here.
Oh, you remember what she looked
You
like?
ain't gonna find her, sir. She got
I don't think so
She
either.
probably
She's in her car.
Put it on
She
your
probably in
camera.
the forest.
But they got cameras out there.
They do. They're
You
pulling
probably
it
have
up
AP. AP's out here right
He's-
now.
He
I already
went
called
back
him.
in
I
and gave
called
us receipts, like he said.
Yeah,
he
that's
said
why,
he
man. I'm like, man, this motherfucker finna get shot, and I was like, he deserve it. You gonna tackle a cop?
Like, you crazy?
You dumb
I
motherfucker.
wouldn't do that.
You,
And then they would have been like, oh, yeah, Black
no,
Lives
no,
Matter.
they wouldn't. I'd have been on TV. Every black motherfucker what I hate. That ain't what happened.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Did you guys drive here? You walk here? What'd you do? You walked here from where? Huh?
I ain't here.
Where'd you guys walk here from? Stillmore? You live on Stillmore? What's the address on Stillmore? What's the address on Stillmore? What's your cousin's address? You don't know the address? You just said 2.
As you're walking
All right, what's the address? You don't know your cousin's address, but you were coming from there?
That's not the key to the car, sir. Huh? That's not the key to the car.
Don't worry about what's the address on Stillmore?
I don't know. It's my cousin. I don't know the address.
How'd you?
That was my cousin key.
What car did you drive?
It was house keys on that key. But he made me drop them. It was the keys to the house.
What kind of car did you get here?
We walked.
He walked from Stillmore.
Yeah. The house key. Can you find my house keys, sir? No. What happened? What I do to you? What did I do to you?
You didn't do anything to me. You tackled my boy, though.
I didn't take. I put you. He slapped. Somebody grabbed my sister and put him on the ground. What you
A
gonna do?
police officer?
What you gonna do?
A police officer. Your sister obviously f***ed up for him to be doing something. You buying him new pants, too?
Let me get the name off of this. But this is one of the items that fell out of her purse. And then she dropped her phone. And your witness, I'm covering up with
I got you my body
the
cam.
routing and the checking.
My body cam's on. You're good.
Okay. I just want to put her name in the system, if this is her.
Right.
But I'll give that to you if you guys want to do whatever you do.
Did you see which way she ran
No, but
when she got up? But I mean, just play this first because I want to see if what I remember is actually what happened.
She wouldn't cooperate. You wanted to detain her, and then he runs up and pushes you.
Okay, that's all I needed to see.
Yep. She took off. Looks like she ran straight. This car was already had the light on it, and she drove run past it.
Unless she jumped in it.
She's ducking down right there. She got under. She hid under a black truck. Looks like.
She might be out there still.
Yeah.
I'll do a double check. If you see anything different, call me.
I got you. That's assault, brother.
What?
It's a felony.
Fought a police officer.
I didn't fight him.
I don't know what you're thinking.
You put your hands on him. It's also obstructing, I believe. It's an additional charge.
What am I supposed to? What am I supposed to do?
Follow him. Yeah, you're going to jail for tackling a police officer. Not very smart.
I can take you to the house with a car at.
Chirp this
This
down
was
Stillmore?
in the garage came from the female?
No, this was on him.
But it's the cousin's car on
Then he said it might be the cousin's car.
Let's go into property.
Okay.
Unless he can call her.
22 to cars. Last seen on the camera, she was in front of the grocery side, hiding in between cars. As of 10 minutes ago, he's watching on the cameras. As of 10 minutes ago, she was hiding, ducking under these cars, and then I guess she ran. Do you know which direction? So she ran like towards Foot Locker.
Well, we'll figure out.
She's got her coming out that way.
All the way. Well, if she's probably going to Stillmore.
Probably, yeah. So
Is that a good description? A white top and a black hat.
it's not, honestly, we got her name and stuff. We were just checking. We got her name, so it's not a big deal. I just wanted to make sure she still wasn't here.
What's that?
It says shoplifting
That's how the call came out.
for me.
No,
So how it came for me? It says how?
that's how the call came out, like I said. You're going to have totally different charges. You're looking at assault and obstruction. Nah, it's a felony. So, obstructing? You were interfering with an officer while conducting his lawful duties. No, the pushing him and causing injury to him, that's the felony, my man.
The brother pleaded guilty to attempted robbery and assault. 2 years of community control with a GPS ankle monitor. The sister pleaded guilty to 5 counts, including identity fraud and forgery. 18 months in a correctional facility. She violated probation within 3 months. The officers get a B+. The detention was lawful, documented, and proportional. Under Graham versus Connor, every decision here holds up. The sister gets a D. She refused a lawful detention, fled with a minor unattended in her vehicle, and was apprehended on 5 counts. The brother gets a D. He tackled a uniformed officer to help a shoplifter escape. He confessed on camera. His intervention elevated both their charges to robbery. Key lessons. Shopkeeper detention is legally binding. Refusal adds charges. Physical intervention by a third party during a theft triggers a felony robbery elevation for everyone involved. The inventory exception is broad. A lawful impound is all it takes. Everything inside is admissible. And on-camera admissions after arrest are always usable. Subscribe for weekly body cam analysis. Drop a comment. Should the brother have received more time for assaulting the officer? We will see you in the next one.